guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Hey, I wanted to show you some dried results. This is a piece I did the other day. It dried perfectly. That green is to die for. There's a tiny little bit of splitting here, I noticed. I'm trying to think of what I did with that one. That was the, I'll have to figure that out. Anyhow, there's that one. And then there is the 12 by 12, which is, I just love it. Oh, by the way, those aren't bugs. I thought they were bugs or not. That's just cell activator. So putting the GAC 800 in the pillow paint really seems to work really well for not cracking. So, I mean, it's like a quarter of a quarter to 3/4. So that's 3 to 1. 3 parts pillow paint to 1 part GAC 800. So I'm kind of really happy with both of these. So tonight I'm going to repurpose this canvas, and this was one I did a while back when I was doing first doing pearls, and I tried to do some of the pigments, and I don't know that the pigments, I mean, I never did try to put any resin on it or anything like that. So, but I really don't like what I did here. So I'm gonna ixnay this bad boy, and we're gonna try some Pourage Posse paint. I just got this in. This is Shelley's Masquerade, and I mixed it up just like I usually do, very, very thin. And this one's I just got in too. It is Modern Masters, and it's Blue Flash. It's a sheer. So I did end up putting in a little bit of titanium white so it would show up a little bit better. That would be Amsterdam titanium white. And then I have Galaxy Blue shimmer from Pourage Posse paint. And I've noticed there is a big difference in all of the paints as far as density, so I can't really tell you the exact measures for the pouring medium. It just does, it wouldn't work. This is Sleeping Beauty. It's gorgeous turquoise shimmer, and that's here. And once again, that might, I don't know if that needs water. Yep, it does, just a little bit. So you always want to check your consistencies before you start pouring. You can always do a drip test too. And I also got in this golden phthalo green blue shade. I'm broadening my horizons and going green these days. So that's what this one is. And I barely had to put any water in it at all because it's that fluid. So what we're gonna do is we are going to prep this canvas. First, I like to prep them, especially if they've been used before. Just give them a quick spray on the back, with water, just to tighten up the canvas. And then you take your Artist Loft Flow White and just put a little bit around, because we want to get our edges. Okay, there we go. So you especially want to get the edges because when the paint flows over, it doesn't have anything to stick to. The gravity takes it down. So you want to be able to have those cells continue down the canvas, especially if you get some real pretty ones. So I have no idea if this is going to work or not, but what the heck? I like to try experiments. And if it doesn't work, we adjust things or we use the paint for something else. It's just that easy. Okay, so I've got my deco. I may as well go over this since I've got extra paint. There we go. That way we're covering up some of that mess that we had. This is my deco art mix. I'll put it in the description. I found The volume of water, I was doing 8, then I was doing 6. I think 7 is the perfect amount. So it's right down the center. So this is a very small canvas. We don't need, this is a 5-ounce cup. We'll probably have more than enough. So I'm going to flood my canvas. Oh, I hope this works. A lot of bubbles. Yeah, the 8 ounces I think was a little too watery. The cells weren't holding, or they were getting very ghosty. And then I wasn't getting enough cells with the 6 ounces of water. And that's a 32-ounce container that I mix up on a pretty regular basis. And I missed a spot here. You want to make sure that it's a very thin layer of paint on your canvas. You don't want too much paint, too much cloud mix. You want to make sure it's thin. All right, so I didn't put them in the squeeze bottles because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them for cloud mix. So what are we going to start with? I am going to start, I'm going to start with the Masquerade. Got to make sure oh, you know what? Before I do that, I got a torch. All right, let's start with the Masquerade. Ooh. It looks like it's reacting. That's nice. Perfect. Yes, it's reacting a lot, actually. The first one was the Galaxy Blue shimmer. This is the Sleeping Beauty Turquoise shimmer. I'm going to put a little bit of the green from Golden. Yeah, these are all reacting. And then I'm going to put the, oh wow, it's really reacting. This is that Modern Masters, the shimmer. Pourage Posse paints. Very pretty colors. So hopefully they'll sell up really nice. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I see cells coming right down here. I'm gonna pull it all. You really want to stretch as much as you can. And you need to get enough paint off too. Oh man, I love this already. Oh yeah, baby. And I'm glad I put the green in. I'm kind of liking the green stuff going on right now. Okay, I'm gonna take it off here. Yeah, we still need to get some paint off. I'm gonna go back up this way. Don't be too concerned about the composition or the cell formation right now, because that changes over time. See how it's still moving quite a bit? All right, I'm gonna leave it right like that. See how things go. I might pull it up a little bit more from here. May as well, because I might take those wonky cells off the bottom. Some of them. and then pull it back because I've got too much paint on here. It always works out. Okay guys, looks like I lost a lot of the dark. Just put a little bit on the corner, just for giggles. Ugh. It's the Masquerade, Shelly's Masquerade. I watched Christina sometimes. I mean, I would like to be able to watch everybody as much as I've got so many people I'm subscribed to, but I don't know who Shelly is. So I'm sure she said that in her videos, but I'm not quite sure who Shelly is. So I don't know, am I centered? Yeah, I think so. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to torch it and put it on time lapse, and yeah, it looks pretty. It looks really pretty. All right, guys. Torch, torch, torch. Here we go. Not quite liking all of these. I like some of them, but not all of them. Put some paint on it. Take some away. There. Okay. Wow. Cells are popping up. Gotta love it. I think I should have put more dark colors in, but this is very pretty and soft, so we'll see how it develops. I'll see you guys in a few. Hello, I'm back. Wow, those Pourage Posse paints really reacted well to a cloud mix. Pearls galore. Yeah, I am happy. Happy camper. Look at that, it almost looks like a flower right there. Yeah. What do you think, guys? I tried putting some more color in, and of course I blew some of this out, which makes it look like almost like a fan coral. So pretty happy with this. This one's for Christina Welch. Thank you for creating these wonderful paints. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.